Hi there, this is Dr. John. If you're watching this video, consider yourself one of the lucky few, because your life could truly change by the time you finish watching. Imagine this. You go from feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, and burdened by health issues, to becoming a successful, healthy investor. Not only do you start to recover from those chronic conditions, but you also build a steady, satisfying monthly income. And it doesn't stop there. You gain control of your time, travel with your family, and enjoy life without the stress of a draining 9-to-5 job or a limited paycheck. So how do you get there? Let me share the secret with you. By joining our team at Unicity, you can achieve all of this. You'll start with an investment that's minimal compared to other failed ventures. And the best part? Your capital is 100% refundable, meaning there's zero financial risk. In return, you'll get to experience our all-natural wellness product, Feel Great, and begin your journey to a healthier you. This isn't just talk. You'll notice real improvements, whether you're dealing with obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, joint inflammation, migraines, asthma, or even PCOS. The Feel Great system has helped many people improve or recover from these conditions. But that's not all. You'll also become an official partner in our Feel Great Health program. We'll train and support you every step of the way, teaching you how to market the product effectively. Once the commissions start coming in, you'll see the difference, both financially and emotionally. You'll start loving your life and yourself more than ever. Send me a message now to get started. Let me help you join us, and I promise you won't regret it. You'll soon realize how lucky you were to have seen this video. Message me today.